I'm getting
I'm
over
not
it.
ready.
We're about
for
to do the
real.
cinnamon challenge. You
I'm
ready?
scared.
Matter of fact, no, they about to do the cinnamon challenge because I'm about to watch.
No, now you're about to do this one.
This was your idea. Come on.
No,
Ready?
it was not. It was
See our
hers.
cinnamon? See our cinnamon?
Shania's.
Set.
Go.
I'm scared.
See?
I'll go first.
Ready?
For
Go.
real?
Go, Nadia. Go. Go. Go.
I can swallow it.
Swallow it. Swallow it. You gotta swallow it. You have to swallow it.
I'm dead. I gave up.
It's all over your teeth. I smell it. She was like coughing cinnamon smoke on her.
You
I
ready?
gave up.
It's all over your teeth too.
I know.
Okay, I'm scared to do this. You next thing. I'll do it.
I didn't do it. I ate cinnamon.
I can't tilt it to the back of my head though.
Right, I'm not doing that.
Go.
Wait a minute, dude. Okay.
Go.
I didn't do it.
It's smoking in
Don't
here.
look at my hair.
Cinnamon. It's smoking from the cinnamon in here.
I'm a
You
G
need
like
the
that.
cinnamon to have flavor, man.
Put some sugar in it.
For real.
Oh,
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
you got a fan on or something. Okay. Ready? It's still on my teeth. It's in your cup.
Oh, yeah, it is on your teeth.
I wouldn't do this. My teeth will be
Wait,
brown
what?
though.
Right, I'm not prepared for my teeth to be brown.
Right.
And you have braces.
Right, this ain't fair. Probably messed up. Can you swallow it? I was bad. You coughing it out on the laptop?
Oh, yeah. Ew.
Oh!
Oh crap! Now you got. It doesn't burn. It gets nasty. Ugh. Need more water.
It ain't got no taste.
It doesn't even burn.
I couldn't swallow it.
I didn't notice you have donuts.
I got to tell you.
Oh, well, let's eat some donuts.
Right. Why we ever doing the cinnamon challenge?
Nasty.
How bad's my teeth?
I ain't really good. Oh, I see it. It's like stuck on your teeth and you break it.
It's like in my jaw.
Let me go check my phone to see if anybody's calling me.